And for those of you guys that are keep asking about RKT, and if you guys actually listened to the call yesterday, to the earnings call, they are releasing. Denji announced a $1 billion buyback of shares starting today. More than likely, starting next week after the calls for this week expire. He knows that RKT is being manipulated by the banks and being kept down, and you could hear it. He's fucking pissed. And even Wells Fargo, the guy from Wells Fargo, was like, "Yo, what kind of shares are you guys buying?" Because they know exactly what's going on. Danji is absolutely fucking pissed that this stock is being left under $21 on purpose, and it's being shorted. And they announced that $1 billion buyback in shares to basically scare the fuck out of any bears that are keeping RKT down. Like, I'm not worried about RKT. I'm not selling anything. Don't at this point, when they announced the $1 billion share buyback, expect 100% for not to be surprised if RKT shoots up 10-15% in one day over the next couple of weeks for multiple days. Like, that would not surprise me at all. I'm still holding my 3K position. I'm not going to be selling anytime soon. I love RKT, and Dan G giving that announcement yesterday on the earnings call and basically saying that they're going to buy back $1 billion. They made like almost $10 billion in profit over the last 2 quarters. Do you guys really think that they're not going to use that money to start pumping up their own stock or buying out companies? Like, no, like they're starting to get really pissed. Everybody at RKT is starting to get absolutely fucking pissed. And they're not happy with the people, the banks, and everybody keeping this stock down. And what only gives more confluence to this is the guy from Wells Fargo on the earnings call that basically said, like, hey, what kind of shares are you guys buying? Because that's how they're scared. That's how that they're gonna stop, and they're scaring everybody. Danji he's a monster, dude. I love him so much.